Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your iTunes error number 2. So how we can fix it? First you need to go to your control panel, so just go to search tab and just write in search tab control. So here you will find control panel, just open it. And in control panel you need to go to programs and features. So here you can see this, just click on it, and here you need to uninstall iTunes if you have it also installed to your computer, and all files that are common to iTunes. So it can be Bonjour, Apple mobile device, and other programs. You just uninstall it by right click on program you want to uninstall, and here you will see uninstall. So just click on uninstall and uninstall all Apple software. And after you do it, you need to open your browser and just go to Google, and in Google you need to write iTunes and download the latest version of iTunes to your computer. So here you can see its official site, Apple. So you need to check if it's official, because you can also download some corrupting files if you download from not official site, because that's why you need to check it. And also here you can see iTunes for Windows. We click on Get It from Microsoft. And just click Get. So let's wait after our Microsoft Store will load and we will see our application. So here you just click on Get. So now you just click Install. So now you just need to wait some time after it will download the latest official version of iTunes to your computer, and we will continue after it will download our version. So now you just need to wait some time after it will install iTunes to your computer, and just restart your computer, and I hope that it will help you. If not, you can also download manually your iTunes version, your exe file, and just open this exe file with WinRAR or some RAR archive application, and just run it from unarchive this file, iTunes exe, and just run unarchived file. But also I hope that this method will help you, and you don't have need to download WinRAR and just download manual installation and do it for yourself. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.